In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Herenya in Tradingview. We'll walk through the process step by step, from opening Tradingview all the way to connecting your Herenya account so you can trade directly from your charts. Keep Tradingview open in a browser tab while you follow along, and feel free to pause the video at any point if you need a moment to catch up. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can do this by typing the Tradingview address into the address bar and hitting enter. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features we're going to use. If you're not logged in, you'll see options to sign in or create an account at the top of the page. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Supercharts or Chart near the top of the screen. Click that to open the main charting interface. This is where you'll be doing most of your analysis and where we'll connect Herenya as a broker. When the chart loads, take a second to let everything appear. You should see your price chart in the center and various toolbars around it. At the bottom of the Tradingview window, look for a tab called Trading Panel. It's usually right next to tabs like Pine Editor or Strategy Tester. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers you can connect to. After you open the Trading Panel, you'll see a selection of popular brokers. If Herenya doesn't show up immediately in that first list, that's completely normal. Look for an option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This expands the full list of available connections inside Tradingview and makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Now that the full list is visible, use the search bar within the Trading Panel and type Herenya. Tradingview will filter the list as you type, and Herenya should appear in the results. Make sure you click on the correct broker entry so you don't accidentally select something else with a similar name. Once you see Herenya in the list, click on it, then choose the option to connect. Tradingview will open a login or authorization window for Herenya. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Herenya account and grant Tradingview permission to access it. After the connection is successful, you'll see Herenya listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place trades directly from your Tradingview charts using your Herenya account.